What's going on, Ryker owners? I want to show you the one-up backrest that I just recently purchased here a week or so ago. This is an OEM part from Can-Am. Make sure you have the max mount. If you purchase this backrest, it will not work unless you have that max mount. It's real easy to install. Just make sure it lines up with that hole right there, and you just slide it on. And to secure it, you either have to have this cover or the Linq box that on the back. This cover is just kind of a decoration, really, and plus to hold, to make sure that that one-up backrest is secure. You just pull this down and you reach in there and you latch the lever, and there you go. If you're a short person, this here works really well. I purchased this for my wife. She's like 5'1", so she had trouble sliding back when she was riding the Ryker. So this works great if you're a short person. If you're just wanting some stability for your back, that's also good for that. I also want to show you that it will work with the Linq box, the top case box. You have to take this off. Your Linq top case box has a lever just like that other, and also you have to slip that in the hole of the back there, the max mount. So it easily just slips in there, and then you push it down. You flip that down, reach that in there, grab that lever, just push it to. There you go. When I bought this backrest, I didn't know if it would work with this Linq box, this top case box, and I had to look long and hard to find it. So hopefully this will help somebody out. If you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm planning on doing a lot of modifications to the Ryker. It's a rally edition. I don't like the plain look. Also, I bought a passenger seat here. That one-up backrest will not work with that passenger seat. You could put it on there, but you're not gonna be able to attach it. So it really doesn't do any good. If you have a passenger seat, you'll have to take the passenger seat off to be able to use that. That's all I have, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.